listen and read.
One day, a lion was sleeping in the forest. The lion was big and strong. All the animals feared the lion, apart from one mouse. The mouse was playing near the lion. She ran onto the lion's nose and he woke up. He was angry. The lion lifted the mouse to his mouth and said, "I'm going to eat you." The mouse said, "Please, Mr. Lion, let me go. I'm your friend. One day I will help you." The lion laughed. "You? You're very small. How can you help me?" But he let the mouse go.